Hey everybody, I hope you are having a great day so far. I wanted to come on and talk to you about our Bitmoji Bookcase assignment. This is really easy. There are a few steps involved, but we are going to work through it together. So we're just going to jump right in. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you are in the correct internet browser. This works best if you are in Chrome. So if you're not in Chrome, go ahead and jump out of whatever you're in and get on into Chrome as your internet browser. The second thing that you need to do is we are going to be working with Google Slides. So if you do not have a Google account, you need to go ahead and make one of those. It is free and it's easy. All you need to do is get a Gmail address and set up a password. So if you have not done those two things, you might want to stop this video or pause it. Go ahead and get into Chrome as your internet browser, and then also set up a Google email address. So go ahead and do those two things, and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so if you're ready to go ahead and pull up Google, log into your Google account. I already have mine up, and I'm gonna scroll on down and click Slides. And you wanna start with a blank slide. So go ahead and clear out all of this, the title and the subtitle. You don't need any of that. You can also go ahead and clear out this themes. You don't need that. So here we go. We have a blank slide. The first thing we want to do is add a wall and floor background. So what you want to do is come over here to Slide, and you want to click Change Background. Choose Image. We're going to go over here to Google Image Search, and you want to type in wall and floor background. You can choose wall and floor background, wall and floor background for classroom, or wall and floor background transparent. It doesn't matter. So you can just start searching for a wall and floor background that you like. Ooh, I'm kind of feeling this green. I like that. So I'm going to insert that. And when you do that, you just click Done. Ooh, that's kind of bright. All right, so now you're ready to start pulling some items in, some furniture in for your virtual classroom. You can be as creative as you want to be, and I hope you really will be. This is the time to, money is no object, so you can put in whatever you want to. This can be a wall in your classroom, or this can be just your designated reading area, whatever space you want it to be. So to do this, what you're going to do is click Insert, and then you're going to click on Image, Insert, Image, Search the web. It's going to bring Google Images up right there for you. The first thing I want to put in my room is definitely a bookshelf or a bookcase, however you want to display your books, because that is the focus of this project. Don't lose focus. It's not the furniture and all the fun stuff. It's the books. So I'm going to look for a bookshelf. Sometimes you need to put vector or transparent so you don't get those fuzzy, funky backgrounds, or the white border around it or whatever. Okay, here we go. Let me see. All of these have books on them. I need something empty. Now this is where I can spend a lot of time, and I just need to speed it up for the purpose of this video. So Meredith, just pick something. Just pick something. Just pick some. Okay, just pick something. Okay, fine. What? No. Okay, just go with that. Just go with that. Okay, once you click it, a blue check mark will come up, and then you just click Insert. I don't like that. Okay, I don't like my background. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna change my background. Just a minute. Okay, that looks, kind of better, just a little bit better. Okay, sorry y'all, I just had to. This just wasn't contrasting enough. Okay, that's good for now, I promise. Okay, let's move on. Insert image, search the web. Ooh, that is not centered, y'all. Okay, focus. I want to do, let me just do like a couch vector, or you can put vector couch, it doesn't matter. Ooh, those are gonna be, see, I really wanted bookshelves on the wall so I could have like some couch room, but you know, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do like a chair. This is not gonna match. Like none of this matches. For the sake of the video, please, and the time that I have, just overlook all of this, that it's not matching. Okay, insert. Okay, we need to scale that down just a smidge. All right, I'm gonna bring my chair over here. It's gonna block some of my bookcase, but you know, can't have everything. All right, I'm gonna insert one more thing and then we're gonna move on just to show, I mean, you name it, you can do it. I want a lamp. No, not Lady Gaga. What the heck did that come up for? Y'all, I'm telling you, even though you put exactly what you want, you don't know what's gonna, y'all look at that. It's the lamp from the Christmas Story. Me and my daddy watched that every Christmas when it come on for 24 hours. Sure did. It would drive my mama crazy. I just want a floor lamp, y'all. No, not with a fish head. See, what is that? That's not a lamp at all. There's that lamp again. What, y'all? That's not even appropriate. Okay, I'm about just, I just want a floor lamp. I don't like that one. You know what? Forget it. We're just gonna put a plant. I don't have time. This video only have like, you know, 15 minutes. So, you know, that's a nice little plant. Let's just put that plant in for now. Okay, so I got me a little plant. It'll help us breathe. Okay. All right. So the purpose of this is definitely the book. So we want to focus on the books. So what we're doing in class is we're going to be going over 10 different genres of books. Just like music has genre, country music, gospel music, jazz, classical, rock and roll, literature has genre. We're going to be talking about picture books, historical fiction, realistic fiction, nonfiction, poetry. What you're going to do is you're going to find one book for each genre and display it in your classroom or your reading area. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here. When you find the book that you want to display for the genre, you're going to grab the cover of it. I'm going to do Rainbow Fish, and you're just going to look for the images. You're going to grab an image just by copying whatever, and paste it. It's a touch big. Don't move my chair. I did, y'all. Let's try that again. Okay, I'm just gonna size it a little bit. All right, I'm gonna move it right here. Okay, now that you've got your book on display, I want you to find a digital recording of the book or someone reading the book. So, and I've listed some places that you can go and find that. One place is YouTube, of course. So I need to go back here. So go hit right here and search Rainbow Fish. And I like this one. So what I want to do is I'm going to pause this so you can hear me talk. And I'm going to click on this because I want to grab the link to it. And then I'm going to go somewhere that you may not know about. It's called Safe YouTube. If you grab any links off of YouTube, you need to run it through Safe YouTube, especially for children. This is going to take out ads. It's going to take away anything that you don't want kiddos to see, which is wonderful. So you just paste the YouTube link into this, and Safe YouTube will generate a link that takes all that garbage out, which is wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over, into my presentation, and I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click on the link, and I'm going to paste it and apply it. Okay. All right. Now, the next part of it, and you're going to have 10 books because of 10 different genres. The next part of this is putting your Bitmoji in here because your kids are going to love seeing you animated, you as a Bitmoji. That's a really huge thing right now. So I've given directions on how to create your Bitmoji going to bitmoji.com. I already have my Bitmoji created, and I already have that in my extensions up here in Chrome. So I'm just going to click on mine. And all you have to do is you search if you want your person standing, reading, sit, whatever you want them to do. Just type in the action you want them to do. And I've already had mine sitting. So all I have to do is click copy the image and then come down here and click paste. And there she is. I'm going to have to size her down a little bit. Excuse me, size me down a little bit. Bring her over here, and I'm going to have her sit in the chair. She looks a little tiny. She needs to be a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks pretty good. Scoot her booty back a little bit. Her feet don't touch the floor. My feet always touch the floor. Okay, so that gives you a little preview of what this looks like. When you view your presentation, this is what it'll look like. Of course, you'll have more books, but when someone goes to click on the link, it will take them directly to listening to the book. Well, that's from where I posted, but whoops. And your kiddos can listen to the book without having to go find it or whatever. And it's just really fun for kids. Okay. Now, underneath our modules, you will see the instructions, my example. I'm putting a rubric up, and then this is where the Bitmoji Bookcase with the pencil icon, this is where you will submit your Bitmoji Bookcase when you are finished. This is how you will submit it. You need to take your presentation. You need to go to File. You need to download this as a PowerPoint. If you do not download it as a PowerPoint, your links will not work. So however you want to save it, or well, it went over there. But anyways, it's downloaded as a PowerPoint. Then you want to come and I'm going to have to go to Student View. Go home. Alright, so now I can go. Alright, so see, this one has the pencil icon. That's how you know that's where you turn it in. It's an assignment. So I've been playing around with this. That's why it says resubmit assignment. And it's a file upload. So I'm going to choose my file. Whoops, I forgot to name it, but whatever. So open it. Please name your file. And then you just submit it. And then yay, it worked. So excited. And then I will get it on my site, and then I can't wait to view it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me, call me, come by. I will be more than happy to help you, okay? See you later. Bye.